Welcome back. Let's do question 2D1. Point A and B in the first quadrant are points on the quadrilateral ABCD. This is ABCD. The equation of the line DC is given as y is equal to -1/3 x minus 1. DC forms an angle theta with the axis as indicated. Determine the coordinates of D and hence calculate the length of AD. So we want the coordinates of D. So if we check, D is the point of intersection of AD and DC. We have the equation of DC we're given, and then we have the equation of AD. So this one is y is equal to 3x plus 19, and then this one is y is equal to -1/3 x minus 1. So this is the point of intersection. So how do we find the coordinates of the point of intersection? We equate the two functions. So meaning that 3x plus 19 is equal to -1/3 x minus 1. Right, let's collect the like terms. 3x plus 1/3 x after transposing this one, then is equal to -1, and then we transpose 19 becomes -19. 3 plus 1/3, 3 plus 1/3, then this becomes multiplied by 3, it becomes 9/3 plus 1/3, which is 10/3. Okay, it becomes 10x/3 is equal to -20. Or what you can do, you can multiply everything by 3. Okay, and then we multiply both sides by 3. So that 10x is equal to -60. Then divide by 10 on both sides of the equation. X is equal to -6. We need to find y, so we can use even this equation. So y is equal to 3 times -6. Where there's x, we put -6 plus 19. It becomes y is equal to -18 plus 19. Y is equal to 1. Okay, therefore the coordinates of D are -6, 1. Right, what we could have done here, we could have multiplied everything here by 3. Let me just show you. Multiply everything by 3. So this times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So it becomes what? 3x times 3, that is 9x. Then plus 1/3 times 3 becomes, just remain with x here. Then is equal to -3. Then 19 times 3 should be 3 times 9, 27. And then 3 times 1, and then plus 2, 57. And then becomes 10x is equal to -60, and x is equal to -6. Could have done that. The coordinates of D are these ones. We haven't answered the question. It says, and hence calculate the length of AD. So we want the length of AD. The coordinates of D here, I will find that is -6 and 1. So we're going to use the distance formula. AD is equal to the square root of, is going to be -6 minus -3 squared. So it's -6 minus -3 squared plus 1 minus 10 squared, 1 minus 10 squared. Then put this in the calculator. AD is equal to 3 root 10.